Welcome back. Now, in terms of creating navigation for your WordPress site, you sometimes want to add in either space between two items or a separation line. You can do that with the Gutenberg editor. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to go and add a block. We're going to write in here that we want to add in a separator. So we're going to write in and start typing in, and we're going to click separator. And what you'll notice now is that there is a separator between these two items. We can change the nature of that separator by going to our properties. We can make it a line that goes all the way across our screen. We can also turn this into dots. What we're going to do now is we're going to remove this separator. And we're now going to add in spacing. We can do this the very same way. We go to add a block here. And then we're going to start by typing in space. And you'll see that there's a spacer element. And you'll notice then that the default setting here is going to be 100 pixels high. We can set that to 200 if we want, or we can set it to 50. In this case, we'll set it to 50. And then our space will now be between these two items. So this is a way for us to create separation between items by using a block specifically designed to have space or separation lines. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.